Have you ever typed something in AI expecting something amazing, but AI gave you something totally different? That is not AI's fault. That is because of the prompt you gave to AI. In this video, I will show you one simple way to write prompt so you can create any image or video using AI. It does not need complex English, no technical words. It is very easy. Look at this example. A girl walking. The prompt is simple and it does not make any sense. It should be better. A young girl walking on a rainy street. Cinematic style, soft lighting. Same AI, but different result. If you want result like this, watch the full video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are interested in AI, creativity and making cool content using AI, this video is going to help you a lot. By the way, in my previous video, I created a full AI generated blog video. If you have not watched that video yet, do check it out from the I button above. That video will make more sense after you understand this topic. Now, let me show you a very simple formula that anyone can use. Think of it like this. What do you want? Let's understand it by comparing both the bad and better prompt example. So, a bad prompt example is a man. And a better example is a young man wearing a casual cloth. Always be clear about what you want, then only you can get desired output. Step 2. What is it doing? The action. A young man drinking coffee. So here drinking coffee is the action. Action makes your image or video feels alive and realistic. Step 3. Where is it? The environment. A young man drinking coffee in a small cafe. Now AI understands the place. Yes, this small cafe is the environment where a young man sitting and drinking coffee. Now step 4. How should it look? The style. Which type of style it would be? Like cartoon, character or any other style you want. Here are the simple words you can use in your prompt like realistic, cinematic, cartoon, anime. For example, a cinematic scene of a young man drinking coffee in a cafe. Like this you can add so it will look attractive. So moving on to step 5, adding extra detail like the quality, mood of the content. This step make your result look professional. You can add the words like lighting, time, mood, camera feel. You can also mention the quality or resolution as 2K, 4K like that. For example, warm light, morning time, calm mood, high quality, 4K resolution. So we had understand all 5 steps how to write perfect prompt. Now let's combine everything into one prompt and look at the result what AI made. So the total prompt is a young man drinking coffee in a small cafe, cinematic style, warm morning light, calm mood, high quality. Or You can also write like this: a young man sitting alone in a small cozy cafe, slowly drinking a cup of coffee, cinematic style, warm morning, sunlight coming through the windows, calm and peaceful mood, soft shadow, natural color, realistic detail, high quality, and 4K resolution. This single prompt can be used to create both AI image and AI videos. So here is our output. Let's compare both the image of the different prompts. The most important is the more detail you give, the more better result you will get. You did not need perfect English. You did not need big or fancy words. Just say what is in your mind, the same way you did explain it to a friend sitting next to you. If this feels difficult, don't worry. Just go to ChatGPT and describe your idea in simple words. Then ask, give me a prompt for generating an image or video. And if you are not sure how to use ChatGPT, let me know in the comment. I will make a separate video explaining it step by step. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it to your friend, and subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to check out my AI generated blog video from the I button above. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep playing with AI.